Hello guys, welcome back to Crafty Cultured. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade disinfectant spray using vodka. I hope you like our channel. I hope you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I hope you share this video, you share the knowledge you send through. This will keep somebody safe. This will save somebody money. Welcome to my channel. These are the items I need for my disinfectant spray. I have rubbing alcohol, which is 70%, or you can call it surgical spirit. Then I have white vinegar. Make sure it's a white vinegar. Then here is my vodka. And guys, we are making a cocktail. This is vodka. It doesn't matter the brand as long as it's a white vodka. Then I have my essential oil. I'll use peppermint and the lavender. I have my bottle, my spray bottle. It's just a simple bottle. I'll have my measuring cups, and I'll use my bowl. This is where I'm going to mix the solution to come up with a disinfectant spray. So let's do it. So I'm gonna need 1 cup of water, just a tap water. Then I'll add a half cup of my vodka. Remember guys, I said it has to be the white vodka, and it doesn't have to be any expensive vodka to make a disinfectant spray. Any type of white vodka will do it. So that's the half cup of the vodka. Now I'm gonna add another half cup of vinegar. It should be a white vinegar too. So there we go. That's a half cup of the white vinegar. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of the rubbing alcohol or surgical spirit. Alcohol content of the spirit should be above 60%. Then I'm adding my essential peppermint oil, 10 drops of essential peppermint oil, then 10 drops of lavender. You can choose different essential oil of your choice. The purpose of this essential oil is to make the disinfectant spray have a good scent of smell. Now we're gonna use a funnel to dispense our disinfectant spray in our spraying bottle. And now we have our homemade disinfectant spray. So I'm gonna use my homemade disinfectant spray to clean up the surfaces. So I wanna clean the surfaces that we mostly touch. I am using the disinfectant on my hands because I'm 100% sure there are no corrosive chemicals in my solution. So I'm gonna clean up my door locks. I'm gonna clean up my stove. The good thing is that the disinfectant, wow, it's just wipe all the dirt in the surfaces, and we are health sure it is killing bacteria on the surfaces. So I'm going to wash my sink and disinfect it with my homemade spray. Look at the chrome surface. Wow, sparkling, shining. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for supporting this channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for your messages on my personal DM, telling me on what to do, advising me on what to improve, and also thanking Crafty Culture for what we are doing. It is our responsibility to take care of our brothers. It is our responsibility to take care of the community. It is our responsibility to take care of our global village. Subscribe and please stay safe. Thank you.